Hi, friends. Welcome to Talk Through Tales. Here, you'll enjoy stories in three levels. Level 1 is very easy, with simple words and short sentences. Level 2 is a little higher. You'll learn more words and practice longer sentences. Level 3 is advanced, with rich vocabulary and expressions to make your English strong. Step by step, these stories will improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, enjoy the stories and grow your English with us every day. Level 1. Story 4. The Clever Rabbit. Level 1. Once upon a time, there was a cruel lion. He lived in a forest. He killed many animals every day. The animals were very afraid. One day, the animals made a plan. They went to the lion. They said, "O king, please don't kill us all. Every day, one animal will come to you for food. Please accept this." The lion agreed. From that day, one animal went to the lion daily. It became the lion's food. The animals were sad. One day it was the turn of a rabbit. The rabbit was very clever. He did not want to die. He thought of a plan. The rabbit walked very slowly. He reached the lion very late. The lion became angry. He roared, "Why are you late?" The rabbit said, "O king, another lion stopped me. He said he is the real king. He lives in a well." The lion became furious. He wanted to see that lion. The rabbit took him to a deep well. The lion looked inside. He saw his own shadow. He thought it was another lion. He jumped in to fight. He died in the water. The animals became happy. They praised the clever rabbit. 1. A cruel, very unkind, causing pain. Example 1. The cruel man hit the dog. Example 2. A cruel king punished the people. 2. Afraid, feeling fear. Example 1. I am afraid of snakes. Example 2. The child was afraid of the dark. 3. Agreed, said yes to something. Example 1. I agreed to help my friend. Example 2. She agreed to join the party. 4. Furious, very angry. Example 1. My father was furious when I broke the glass. Example 2. The teacher was furious at the noisy class. 5. Shadow, a dark shape made when light is blocked. Example 1. I saw my shadow on the wall. Example 2. The tree gave a long shadow in the evening. 6. Praised, spoke good words about someone. Example 1. The teacher praised me for my work. Example 2. People praise the brave soldier. Level 2. Story 4. The Clever Rabbit. Level 2. Long ago, there lived a fierce lion in a forest. He was very cruel. He killed many animals every day for his food. The animals were terrified. One day, the animals gathered and made a plan. They went to the lion and said, "O king, please don't kill us all. Every day, one animal will come to you as food. This way, you will get food and we will live in peace." The lion thought and agreed. From that day, one animal went to the lion daily. All the animals were very sad. One day, it was the turn of a rabbit. The rabbit was very small but very clever. He did not want to die. So, he made a plan to save himself and the other animals. The rabbit walked very slowly. He reached the lion's den very late. The lion became furious. He roared, "Why are you late?" The rabbit said, "O king, another lion stopped me on the way. He said that he is the real king of this forest." The lion became very angry. He asked the rabbit to show him that lion. The rabbit took him to a deep well. The lion looked inside. He saw his own reflection in the water. He thought it was another lion. He jumped in to fight and drowned. The animals felt free and happy again. They praised the clever rabbit for his wisdom. 1. Fierce, very strong and violent. Example 1. A fierce tiger attacked the deer. Example 2. The fierce storm broke many trees. 2. Cruel, very unkind, causing pain. Example 1. The cruel man hit the dog. Example 2. A cruel king punished the people. 3. Terrified, very afraid. Example 1. The child was terrified of the dark. Example 2. People were terrified when they saw the fire. 4. Den, the home of a wild animal. Example 1. The lion rested in his den. Example 2. We saw a bear's den in the forest. 5. Furious, very angry. Example 1. My father was furious when I lied. Example 2. The teacher was furious at the noisy students. 6. Reflection, an image seen in a mirror or water. Example 1. I saw my reflection in the glass. Example 2. The pond showed the reflection of the tree. 7. Drowned, died, underwater. Example 1. The boy drowned in the river. Example 2. The boat sank and many people drowned. 8. Wisdom, the ability to use knowledge and good sense. Example 1. The old man shared his wisdom with me. Example 2. The clever rabbit showed great wisdom. Level 3. Story 4. The Clever Rabbit. Level 3. Many years ago, a mighty lion lived in a dense forest. He was powerful but extremely cruel. Every day he hunted and killed many animals, not only for food but also for pleasure. The frightened animals lived in constant fear of death. Tired of this suffering, the animals held a meeting. They decided to offer one animal to the lion each day as his meal. This way, the lion would not need to kill unnecessarily. The lion considered their request and agreed to the arrangement. Days passed, and each day one animal became his victim. Then it was a rabbit's turn. The rabbit, though small, was very intelligent. He wished to save not only himself but also the entire forest. He deliberately moved slowly and reached the lion's den very late. The lion grew furious at the delay and roared angrily. The rabbit politely said, "O king, another lion stopped me. He claims to be the true ruler of this forest. He lives in a well." Burning with rage, the lion followed the rabbit. When he looked into the well, he saw his own reflection. Mistaking it for his rival, he leapt into attack. He drowned instantly. The animals rejoiced with freedom and praised the rabbit's wisdom and bravery. 1. Mighty, very strong and powerful. Example 1. The mighty king ruled many lands. Example 2. The river looked mighty during the flood. 2. Dense, thick and crowded closely together. Example 1. The forest was dense with tall trees. Example 2. Smoke made the air dense. 3. Pleasure, a feeling of happiness or enjoyment. Example 1. Reading gives me great pleasure. Example 2. He smiled with pleasure after hearing the news. 4. Constant, happening all the time without stopping. Example 1. The baby cried constantly at night. Example 2. We live with constant noise in the city. Fifth arrangement. A plan or agreement. Example 1. We made an arrangement to meet at 5 o'clock. Example 2. The teacher made seating arrangements for the exam. 6. Deliberately. Done on purpose, not by accident. Example 1. He deliberately broke the glass. Example 2. The student deliberately came late. 7. Furious, extremely angry. Example 1. She was furious when her phone was stolen. Example 2. The furious crowd shouted loudly. 8. Rival, an enemy or competitor. Example 1. The two teams are rivals. Example 2. He defeated his rival in the race. 9. Rejoiced, felt or showed great joy. Example 1. The people rejoiced at the festival. Example 2. We rejoiced when we won the match. 10. Wisdom, the ability to make good decisions. Example 1. The leader guided us with wisdom. Example 2. The clever rabbit showed great wisdom. Thank you so much for joining us on Talk Through Tales. I hope you enjoyed it and also learned some new words. Keep watching Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 stories to improve step by step. Practice daily, and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories.